Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix fast battery drain on the POCO M8. So if you feel like your phone has been draining battery too fast recently, there are a few things that you can change to help prolong your battery life. And the first thing would be to change the battery's power mode. So if you go to settings, and then we scroll down to battery, there are a whole bunch of options that you can change to pretty much make your battery life better. And we're going to be focusing on the current mode option. So there are a few things that you can change right here. If you need, this isn't a permanent feature, like you have to enable it every time you charge your phone again. But if you want to prolong your battery life, for example, you're out somewhere where you cannot charge your phone, you have two options. So battery saver and ultra battery saver. As you can see, this is how much battery life it gives you. So the battery saver gives you 27 hours and ultra battery saver gives you 72 hours, which is almost 3 times more than balanced mode. So balanced mode is the default. Now, you can change to battery saver, and what battery saver does is restricts background activity, clears the phone's cache, and turns off different quality of life services. So once we press OK, it's going to be enabled. And if you want to disable it, you can pretty much go to the control panel right here and tap on this battery icon to disable it. And if you want to enable it again, just tap on the icon. Now you also have the ultra battery saver, and if you tap on that, it's going to totally change your phone. So it's going to leave only basic functions in your phone, like messages, doing calls, and maybe connecting to the Wi-Fi. So once we press OK, as you can see, it's going to start setting it up. So there's no location access. I'm going to turn that on if needed. And as you can see, once it's set up, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to lower your brightness, it's going to restrict all of the background activity and only leave pretty much 3 apps available. Now, you can add apps if you want by tapping on add and selecting any of these apps. So for example, Google Chrome, there you go. Now you can launch it and it's going to work like a normal app. But by default, you have 3 apps, which is phone book, contacts, and chat. Now you can also tap on this pen icon on the top right to also add apps if you want. But if you want to exit out of this mode, just press on the X icon on the top left, and it's going to turn off the ultra battery saver mode. So these are one of the most important tips. Now you also have things like restricting background activity. So pretty much the same thing, but without turning on the low battery mode. All you need to do is go to settings, tap on apps, and just find apps that you want to disable background restrictions or background activity of. So you can check in the battery section how much apps use up your battery. So as you can see, I have POCO Launcher, Chrome, Google, Themes, and Brave. These are my top 5 apps that use up most of my battery. So for example, we can tap on Chrome and restrict background apps, which means that background activity of the app will be stopped. And now it pretty much won't be using up the battery in the background, only when the app is actually open. So just do this for all of the apps that don't really require background activity, and that will also help you extend the battery life. And then we also have one of the important things that most people overlook, which is the always on display. So if we turn our phone off, you might have the option enabled where this little screen pops up and when the phone is off. Now it doesn't use up a lot of battery, but still it does use up some of the battery. So if you want to maximize the performance as much as you can, we can disable that option by going to the personalization section in the settings, tapping on always on display, and just pressing on this always on display toggle to turn it off. Now if you turn our phone off, always on display will not pop up, and it will help you prolong your battery life. So that's pretty much it on how to fix fast battery drain. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.